is a high wind warning for Fayette, Greene, Madison, Union, Champaign, and Clark counties, and is in effect until 8 a.m. Monday. South winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Remain in the lower levels of your home during this windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Travel may be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use caution if you must drive. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. This afternoon, portions of East Central Ohio. South winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Remain in the lower levels of your home during this windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Travel may be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use caution if you must drive. Here is a high wind warning for the Calhoun County, Fayette, Ohio. High wind warning in effect until 8 a.m. Monday. What? South winds 20 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Where? Portions of southeast Indiana, northern Kentucky, and central, southwest, and west central Ohio. When? Until 8 a.m. Monday. Impact. Damaging winds can blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
Oh, because you're right.
And damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
What the flip? I was watching an EAS video too, so that surprised me.
At 1:47 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of St. Paris to Wilberforce, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. At 1:45 a.m., a 58 miles an hour gust was reported at Xenia Greene County Airport. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Fairborn, Xenia, Marysville, Urbana, London, Yellow Springs, Jefferson, Northridge, Plain City, West Jefferson, Cedarville, Edon, Richwood, South Charleston, Mechanicsburg, North Lewisburg, Choctaw Lake, Wilberforce, and Harmony. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 45 and 85. Now, Southeastern Brown County, Adams County, and South Central
Okay.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County, Richland County, Eastern Seneca County, Erie County, Eastern Marion County, Northern Morrow County, Crawford County, until 4 a.m. At 2:55 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Bellevue to 6 miles south of New Washington to near Cardington, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Sandusky, Norwalk, Bucyrus, Western Vermilion, Mount Gilead, Galion, Shelby, Bellevue, Willard, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, New London, Cardington, Belleville, Plymouth, Northern Milan, and Milan. Wind advisory. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Morrow County, Knox County, until 4 a.m. At 3:15 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Chesterville to Centerburg to near Johnstown, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gambier, Utica, Cardington, Centerburg, Danville, Chesterville, Sparta, Waterford, Waringo, Fulton, Martinsburg, Gann, North Liberty, and Bladensburg. Wind advisory.